In this video, I am going to demonstrate basic and simple exercises to improve muscle strength and endurance of elbow joint. As we know that elbow joint is mostly having two joint muscles like bicep brachii, long head of tricep, as well as forearm muscles, wrist flexors and extensors. So these basic exercises will help us to improve strength and endurance of all muscles that will control elbow basic motion, that is elbow flexion, extension, supination, forearm supination and pronation. Let's get started with video. For elbow flexion to activate bicep brachii, brachialis and brachioradialis, patient may be in sitting or standing position with humerus at the side of chest, with having a weight in hand, and then patient have to move the elbow in concentric and eccentric throughout available range of motion. This simple exercise will stimulate functional lifting and lowering, as well as this movement can be performed in supination, pronation and in neutral position to activate all three elbow flexors muscle. This exercise can also be done by using TheraBand. The alter weight mechanics we can use is by using of elastic or TheraBand. One loop will be under the patient foot and other will be in patient hand, and also this exercise can be performed concentrically and eccentrically by using TheraBand. Again, all three positions can be used: supination, mid position and prone position, to improve the strength and endurance of elbow flexors muscle. For that purpose, second alternate exercise, patient will be in standing position holding a weight with forearm supinated, and then patient have to extend the shoulder as elbow flex. This combined motion will help to elongate the bicep brachii over the shoulder as the muscle is shortening to move. This simple exercise will most efficiently maintain optimal length for development of maximum tension in bicep. And this exercise combined motion will develop control for carrying object at the side. The third exercise that can help us to improve elbow flexion, patient in supine position with a humerus supported on treatment table. When the patient is supine, resistive force will be provided either by handheld free weight or gravity. This exercise will have greater effect on the muscle near end range extension and has little to no effect as the elbow reach at 90 degree. So all these exercise will help to improve dynamic strength and endurance for the elbow flexors muscles. And these all exercises will describe the functional progression for elbow and forearm.